Alright, so we're out here working on the Jeep. Day 3. We just got a new battery installed, new Interstate from Costco. This thing is only 65 bucks.
It was 88 after tax without a core charge.
Without a core? Wait, did you not give him the core?
No, it's sitting next to you on the road.
Oh.
I forgot to
Why?
take it with me.
Oh, well, there you go. Well, yeah, it would have been 65 with the core. Last time the problems we're having is it wouldn't move after installing a new transfer case, and it kept overheating after my professional coolant flush. If you haven't seen the last video, go check that out. If you want to know how to do a coolant flush the right way on a Cherokee, go check that out. So what we've done here is we just hot wired this fan. It's an electric cooling fan, and we hot wired it directly to the connector and got it to spin. So we have determined that we aren't getting any power to the fan. So we're going to try and track down where that the disconnect is, see if it's maybe the relay or hopefully just a fuse. But we do have both just in case. So we're going to do that, and then we're also going to take the linkage off the transfer case, turn it by hand, and see if we can pop it into any different gear and get it to move maybe. And also, we don't have the dog here, which is really weird.
I wonder what he's doing.
I think he's probably sleeping, to be honest, knowing that dog. Wait, kill it. I just noticed a flaw.
Did we leave it unplugged?
Yes.
Oops.
Also, that fan is, that sounds kind of hideous.
Yeah.
It's not even that loose. Huh, alright.
Okay.
Well, we changed the relay, so, we're gonna see if the fan comes on.
Ready?
Yep. This Flowmaster exhaust sounds so good. Woo! It should come on once it gets up to like 210, I think.
I don't even know if there's any actual coolant left in it.
It should be. Let's check.
Is there any good coolant left in it?
Well, no, but... there's some in there. You should throw it in neutral and just move the shifter around. Throw it in neutral, stand on the brake, and move the four-wheel shifter around. I'm just gonna crawl under here and look at it. Don't move, please.
Which means it's in the wrong spot. Oh, there it goes.
Huh.
Is it moving down there?
Yeah, let's see if it moves. Try it. Like reverse or something. Probably won't, but worth a check. Try the gas. Maybe give it a little cheech. That sucks. How's the temperature? It's getting up a little bit. Still no fan. The linkage was definitely moving. What gear is that?
park.
Huh.
That's not good.
Woo! That smells nice. Yum.
See the little shackles I hung from the hitch?
Yeah, I saw that. That is a hideous noise. I guess we need to tighten the fan more, huh?
Huh?
I guess we need to tighten the fan more. Alright, it's almost a 210.
Yeah, I'm just wait for it. I didn't have the fucking horns hooked up.
Here, shut it off. Nope. What?
He's not quite at 210.
Well, fan still doesn't turn on. Now we are suspecting temperature sending unit, maybe the thermostat. So, and I think they're all in here. So we're going to pull this off, change that gasket, change the sending unit and the thermostat, and see what happens then. Also, it doesn't move still. So if anyone's got any more ideas, feel free to let us know.
The linkage is in the right spot.
Yeah, but it moved, so something should have happened. Well, we've hot-wired the fan to get her to cool herself down a little bit, but we've sprung a coolant leak over here at the bottom of the thermostat. At the bottom of whatever that thing is. Here's the spraying out from under there. But there was just peeing coolant out of there. And the linkage is moving and connected right, and we cycled through all of the gears for the transfer case and still no movement, so...
I don't know if it's connected.
Oh, I saw...
Twisted a bunch.
Yeah, but I mean it would still... Something would have happened with the amount of movement that was going on. I even held it in between gears on the selector in there, so something would have happened. I think you should take the transfer case back.
I don't want to have to take it out again.
I don't want to have to take it out again either, but I mean, I also want the Jeep to move. I don't know.
How do you even tell if one of these is bad?
Oh, you can check out with the multimeter. I just need to look up how. I don't remember. You test like the resistance.
Got the ground on it too. I don't know if that other one does.
Well, our latest discovery is that this hose up here has absolutely no pressure behind it. You see that? Look at this.
Oh Jesus, fuck.
Thermostat. Change the thermostat.
That shouldn't be too hard.
Nope. But that's not supposed to be. That's not good.
Yeah, look. Why does that look like it's coming from the water pump?
Maybe because it is. I can't tell where it's coming from.
Didn't you just fucking replace the water pump?
Yep. Alright, here we are working on the Jeep again. I'm currently in my new recording studio that I just set up because it is pouring rain. I hope I don't get too much on the lens. And I think tonight what we're going to be doing is replacing... No, what are we going to do? I forgot already.
Dropping the transfer case back out.
Oh yeah, we're going to pull the transfer case back out. I'm going to pull the radiator off and drain all the coolant out. Again, this time I'm actually going to pull it off, and I'm not going to be a lazy bum. And I'm also going to take the thermostat housing off because we have a new thermostat coming tomorrow. We've determined that, I don't remember if, I think I showed it in the last little part of this video, but the upper radiator hose is completely soft and there's no pressure on it whatsoever, so we're thinking thermostat. And it's in the same little housing that the temperature sensor is, so we figured we'd do them both at the same time. And the water pump gasket is leaking too, so we're going to do something with that, probably clean it off, put the gasket back on, because I don't think it's supposed to have gasket maker. But yeah, we are going to get to it.
Put a gasket maker on it. Gasket maker on it, just in case.
Yeah, I don't have any with me though, I forgot it at home, so.
Oh, I wasn't planning on getting that done tonight.
Oh, I was.
The new stuff isn't coming until tomorrow.
Yeah, but we can get it ready. And the gasket maker's got to sit.
I have a razor blade somewhere that I used for scraping a gasket.
I have a pocket knife. Alright, so we have some exciting news from down below. It's got a report from under the Jeep. Aiden, what's going on down here?
I got a burrito!
He found a burrito under the Jeep.
I didn't find it. It was made for me.
Aww. Alright, well, now what I've done is I've taken the thermostat housing off, taken the thermostat out, and pulled the temperature sensor off. There's the thermostat right there. I don't know how to tell if they're good or not other than putting it in some boiling water and seeing if it opens, but it's out, and there was a lot of gasket material cooked onto that, so I scraped it all off, which I definitely should have done with the water pump. So yeah, that's off. The temperature sensor's around here somewhere. I apparently am blind because I do not see it. But yeah, making good. Oh, here it is. There it is. Yeah, we're making pretty good progress. Next thing to do is the water pump. Oh, also Aiden's got the transfer case almost all the way out. We're getting ready to pull it off. And we took and went in the cab and cycled through all of the gears on the selector, and while he was turning the shaft on the transfer case, and nothing changed at all. There's a little bit of resistance as the forks moved, but that was about it. And we also did the same thing with the linkage disconnected, just turning the shifter. So I think that probably it's a different sized input shaft than what was on this engine originally. So that's where we're at with that. We're going to go ahead and pull the transfer case off now. Well, we have succeeded in Aiden has succeeded in removing the transfer case. There it is. And we've made a kind of a terrifying discovery. When you turn the input shaft, the output shaft does in fact turn. They both do, but you can just hold that one, or hold either of them, and yeah, I don't think it's supposed to be like that. So something inside the transfer case seems to be slipping, and I don't even want to know what it is because it's supposed to.
Because when you spin this,
oh, you spin it. Nope, I can still hold that. It's yoinked. So we're going to take this thing, this Hold 5 stud, right back to the junkyard where we got it from, and demand our money back. And maybe if they're nice and give us our money back, I won't tell you guys which junkyard it was. Oh, and in other news, we managed to get the license plate on, so that's pretty mint.
got it registered.
Yeah. There was an undercover cop here earlier, but he's got nothing to do now because we got plates. So we've got a mint system worked out for draining this coolant. We ran out of.
Where's the gasket?
It's cooked. It's cooked on the pump. We ran out of space in the coolant jug that we were using, so we just moved the tranny onto there, and that caught almost all of it. Now it's just sloshing around in the valve body. If anyone wants a transmission, I mean, it's only $3.99. Well, I'm not a scientist, but I think we found the source of the leak. I think it's safe to say that might do it. Alright, well, we are wrapping it up for tonight.
Cold, it's fucking miserable.
Yeah, that about sums it up.
Look at
Even the dog is shivering. It's been raining non-stop this whole time.
Fucking pissing. It's
So,
not even rain anymore.
yep, it's pretty awful.
God is just fucking peeing on us.
Maybe I'll cut some weird picture in there when you say that. That'd be pretty funny. That's quality comedy.
Are you putting all the bolts to the water pump and shit in your bag?
No,
Pretty sure that's where a bunch of them just went.
I think it is. Here, do you want to take that?
Leave that there, I don't care.
Well, we're pretty. Oh, yep, there's one. We're pretty much done for tonight. I'm cold. He's cold. The dog's cold. We're all cold. We're gonna go home, and yeah, we're done. So I might end this video here. I might cut some more footage in. I'll probably end it here. We'll see. We'll see if it's a certain
dented?
length. No, it was like that. I think I couldn't possibly have closed the hood that hard. But yeah, we're pretty much done for tonight. I will keep you guys posted. Tomorrow we're gonna get new parts in here, hopefully, and I might not be able to come over and help with that, but I'll keep you guys posted, and we should have something going here pretty soon. We're gonna get a new transfer case.
I'm gonna scrape all those surfaces too.
Yes, definitely.
Take a razor blade to that.
Honestly, that's probably what was wrong.
Yeah.
But, yep. So,
and I need a new gasket for the water pump now too.
Probably.
Nice one.
So, yeah. Alright, well, on that note,